Alright, car lovers, today we need to talk about something absolutely wild. The Czinger 21C, a hypercar that doesn't just push boundaries, it completely ignores them. This thing comes with a jaw-dropping $2.5 million price tag. And honestly, once you hear what it offers, you'll understand why people are calling it one of the craziest cars ever made. First impressions, the design looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. The 21C is low, sharp, and aggressive from every angle. Nothing about it feels traditional. The body is sculpted purely for performance, with massive aero elements, dramatic air channels, and that signature central cockpit layout that instantly sets it apart from anything else on the road. It doesn't try to look pretty in a classic sense. It looks fast, purposeful, and unapologetically extreme. And that cockpit layout is one of the most talked about features. Instead of sitting side by side, the driver sits in the center with the passenger positioned slightly behind. It's very fighter jet vibes, and it's done for balance, focus, and driving immersion. This is a car that's clearly built around the driver first. Now let's talk about what really makes the Czinger 21C insane, the powertrain. This is a hybrid hypercar, but not in the way we usually think. At its heart is a high-revving twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors. Together, the system produces well over 1,200 horsepower, which is just ridiculous. The power delivery is instant, brutal, and relentless. It's engineered to launch hard, pull endlessly, and still stay razor-sharp at high speeds. What makes it even more impressive is how the car is built. Czinger uses advanced 3D printing and AI-driven design to create components that are lighter, stronger, and more efficient than traditional manufacturing allows. This isn't just a fast car, it's a rolling experiment in the future of automotive engineering. Now, if you're wondering about off-road features, let's clear that up. The Czinger 21C is absolutely not an off-road machine. This car is the complete opposite. It's laser-focused on track performance and high-speed precision. There's minimal ground clearance, stiff suspension, and aero that's designed to glue the car to the asphalt. So while it won't climb rocks or hit dirt trails, it dominates where it matters, smooth roads and racetracks. Inside, the interior continues that futuristic theme. Everything feels minimalistic and purposeful. There's no unnecessary luxury, no distracting screens everywhere. Instead, you get a clean, driver-focused layout with lightweight materials, digital displays placed exactly where you need them, and a steering wheel that feels more like it belongs in a race car than a road car. It's all about connection, you, the car, and the road. Comfort isn't the main priority here, but it's not uncomfortable either. The seating position is snug and immersive, making you feel like you're part of the machine rather than just sitting in it. Every detail inside reinforces the idea that this is a performance-first hypercar. Now let's talk about money. At around $2.5 million, the Czinger 21C sits comfortably among elite hypercars like Bugatti, Koenigsegg, and Pagani. But unlike those brands, Czinger doesn't have decades of history. This makes the 21C even more impressive. It's not evolving from past models, it's creating its own legacy from scratch. And despite being a newcomer, it's already posting performance numbers that rivale and sometimes beat established hypercar giants. Compared to traditional hypercars, the Czinger 21C feels more experimental, more forward-thinking. It's less about heritage and more about what's possible when you rethink how cars are designed and built. In many ways, it represents the future of performance cars rather than a continuation of the past. So is the Czinger 21C worth $2.5 million? For most of us, it's a dream we'll admire from afar. But as a statement of innovation, performance, and fearless design, it's absolutely worth the hype. This isn't just another fast car. It's proof that the hypercar world still has room to shock us. If this is the future of performance, honestly, I can't wait to see what comes next.